The U.S. Air Force is changing the future of air defense with the development of a low-cost interceptor missile designed for both ground and air launches. In a world where drones and inexpensive aircraft dominate the battlefield, traditional million-dollar interceptors have become inefficient. The new Affordable Mass Munitions program represents a major shift toward mass-produced, modular, and affordable defense capabilities. Each missile is expected to cost under $500,000, making large-scale production and deployment achievable for the first time. The Air Force plans to manufacture about 1,000 interceptors per year, creating a flexible system that can be used for base defense, air-to-air combat, and support missions. The missile's modular design allows quick adaptation to various targets such as drones, low-flying aircraft, and large-scale air attacks. The use of standardized components simplifies logistics, lowers costs, and increases production speed. In its basic configuration, the missile is launched from the ground, using inertial and satellite guidance before locking onto the target with a terminal homing system. Future versions will include air-launched variants for aircraft and drones, expanding range and giving commanders the ability to respond quickly to aerial threats anywhere. This dual capability provides not only defense for fixed installations but also the ability to take the fight into the sky when necessary. Economically, the new interceptor offers a powerful advantage. By reducing the cost per unit, the Air Force can respond to mass attacks without exhausting resources. Enemies will no longer be able to overwhelm defenses by forcing the use of expensive missiles. Instead, the balance shifts to the defender, who can counter large numbers of threats with affordable, reliable munitions. However, cost reduction brings its own challenges. Simplified design and cheaper components may affect precision, resistance to jamming, and range. At the same time, mass production will demand strong industrial capacity and secure supply chains. Still, the benefits of scalability and rapid deployment outweigh the risks, especially in long-term, high-intensity conflicts. The Affordable Mass Munitions program marks a new era for the U.S. Air Force, an evolution from exclusive, high-cost systems to practical, mass-deployable weapons. It's not about creating the most advanced missile in the world, but the most sustainable and adaptable one.